Hi everyone, welcome back for another painting tutorial in acrylics. I'm Joni Young and today I'm going to be showing you how to paint an abstract flower painting with a beautiful glowing sun in the center. To do that I'm working on a 12 by 12 inch canvas and I have the following colors here and brushes. I'm going to be using a palette knife, a long liner brush, a mop brush, and a large filbert. I'm going to have everything listed below the video in the description box, all the sizes and links to paints and brushes. I'm using titanium white, lemon yellow, bright aqua green, phthalo blue, neon pink, crimson red, and phoenix violet. I'll begin the painting by spraying my canvas with a little bit of water. And I'm going to come in with a few colors and just blend it all around and then soften with my mop brush. So I'm going to take some yellow, some green, some blue, purple, and I'm going to soften, dry and clean mop brush, and I'm just going to go around and blend those together using this mop brush. Now you can blend it in any direction you want. I just like to go in little circles. Okay, the next color I'm going to take is pink. I'm going to add that on this side. Bring that down into the blue. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of the yellow with the pink still in my brush. That way we'll get a nice shade of a gold. And I'm going to take some purple and some blue, and I'm going to just start gently coming up from the bottom and curving towards the center. We're going to make that center our focal point. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of red, blue, and purple, and I'm going to get the bottom corners here and build up the contrast, making it darker. Now it's time to come in and use our liner brush, and I'm going to be adding those same colors, and we'll focus on painting stems, and we're going to just pull those lines in the same direction towards the center. I'm going to take my pinky with a little bit of white, and I'm going to add that right in the middle. And I'm going to go back over to my filbert brush. I'm going to take some turquoise, a little bit of white, and I'm going to add a few lines for some ripples in the water. Liner brush, white and yellow, and we're going to come down directly under the sun and add those brightest highlights right in the center here. Alright, now I'm going to take my palette knife and I'm going to start coming in with some flowers and some more lines for some stems. I'm going to start with some red, I'm just loading the underside of the palette knife and just adding little dabs. And then I'm going to take some pink and add a little bit of pink here and there. The next color I'm going to take is yellow. Alright, the next color I'm going to take is blue. And now we'll come in with some turquoise. I'm take a little bit on the end of the palette knife. Now let's go into some purple and white with turquoise. So let's just mix that up. A little bit more purple. A little bit of extra white. You can just take it on the very end of the knife and just pull or tap in for little petals. You can create some interesting effects by tapping or pulling. All right, I'm going to take some more pink. And I'm going to start building up some more petals. Red. I'm going to work this red around that blue. And I'm going to go back over to my filbert brush, and I'm just going to start to tap to create some smaller flowers. So I'm tapping off of those really thick areas where I applied the paint with the palette knife. And it gives us some really pretty shades. And bringing it up into this curve. Sometimes you'll get a little bit more red, sometimes you'll get a little bit more of the purple or pink. Okay, I'm just going to come in with my liner brush, some blue, and the turquoise. And I'll add a few stems. So we have some dark ones and some lighter ones. And a little dab of yellow in here. A little bit of pink. Whatever we've got left. This is one of those paintings that anybody can do. You don't need any talent. You're basically just taking scoops of paint and dabbing and blobbing them on and just focusing on a direction of them pointing at the beautiful glowing sun. Taking the last little bit of purple. There's a touch of red in there from when we mixed it up earlier. Dabbing and tapping the last little bit of red that I've got left here. Tiny bit of pink. And this painting is all done. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Have fun painting yours and experiment with different colors or less colors if you like. Just follow along with the same steps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!